Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
I think a lot of Karnataka people are living here and they are doing services here. Last 20-30 years they are living here, and particularly Karnataka people from North Karnataka, from Bijapur, Bagalkoti, Koppala, and Raichur, Gulbarga, Belagavi, and Gadag district, Haveri district. A lot of people are staying here and in Goa. And we addressed yesterday. They're looking into their interest and everything. They are almost supporters of the Bharatiya Janata Party. They will vote for the BJP. We requested him, and looking into the national leader, our Prime Minister, Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi's leadership, everybody likes here. And in Goa, last 15 years, Bharatiya Janata Party government, earlier under the leadership of Manohar Parrikar and now Pramod Sawant, everything, the BJP government did a lot of things, development works, infrastructure creation, a lot of things have done by the Bharatiya Janata Party government. So, public mood is in favor of the Bharatiya Janata Party. This time also, I am very much confident that Bharatiya Janata Party government will, party will form the government.